And I've attached these solar panels or solar pool lights 2 days ago using this Gorilla Mounting Putty, and they have been holding up nicely here. Let's see, you can see they are still holding nicely. Of course not the same thing as with glue or drill, but of course I don't want to drill here into the pool rim, so I was using this, just having some really nice lights for a couple of days. Maybe could last even longer. Now let's see if I can still remove them. So I just pull up here. Yeah, absolutely no problem. And so this is how it looks. We have a spider here, but I can easily remove the residue. You can see also this part here. Yeah, seems to be a good solution, at least out of the water. I've tried also to attach the lights actually in the water, but it didn't work. It was absolutely not sticking at all. So I had to use a suction cup down there, but this definitely worked. So it seems to be really nice stuff. Full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.